What's up, YouTube? Back at you again, baby. Coming at you with another one. So, boom. Check this out, man. So, actually, my mama pig had three piglets, but one of them didn't make it. As you can see, the umbilical is still on the piglet, still intact. So, boom. We're gonna do a live feeding. I mean, not a live feeding. What I'm gonna do is let the little piglet soak all night. Look at the little nose throwing out. Little piglet didn't make it. This was the male. This was the only male. So I'm gonna let him thaw out all night. Get soaked, full of water, full of juice. So it'll be nice and juicy. Nice and hydrated for my crocodile to eat. Waste not, want not. Ooh, my boy Bernie ready. I got something else in store for you, my boy. Ooh, it's going down. Ooh, my little croc, he out too. I see you over there in the cut. I see ya, boy. Oh yeah, I got one for my frog too. It's going down, baby.